To download Finding Frankie on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. Begin by searching for Steam on Google and clicking on the first link, which should take you to the Steam website. From there, click the Install Steam button at the top of the screen and select your platform. For most users, this will be Windows. Click Install Steam again, and the Steam setup will be downloaded to your computer. Open the setup file and follow the prompts. Press Next. Select your language. Choose a destination folder for the installation, and press Install. Steam will then be installed automatically. Once the installation is complete, open the Steam app and either log in to an existing account or create a new one. If you're not already on the Steam Store page, click on Store at the top left, and then use the search box to find Finding Frankie. Click on the game, scroll down to the Add to Cart button, and then proceed to checkout. You'll need to select a payment method and complete the payment process. After purchasing the game, it will be added to your Steam library, which you can access by clicking Library at the top left. Find the game in your list of games. Click on it, and press Install. You'll be asked to choose a drive for the installation and whether you want to create desktop or start menu shortcuts. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification from Steam, and you can launch the game by clicking the green Play button. The game will then launch, and you can start playing.